Deleting your Calendly account is a simple process that will permanently remove all your data and events. Here's how to do it. Log into your Calendly account. Start by signing into your Calendly account using your credentials. Access account settings. Click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Navigate to the Billing section. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Billing tab. This section contains your subscription and account information. Locate Account Deletion option. Scroll down to the bottom of the billing page. You will see the option to delete account or cancel account. Click on this option. Read the confirmation. A confirmation prompt will appear, informing you of the consequences of deleting your account. Take a moment to read this information carefully. Confirm deletion. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion by clicking on the Final Confirmation button. You may be asked to provide your password for verification. Receive confirmation email. After deletion, you should receive an email confirming that your account has been successfully deleted.